Now, people then say, well, how do I know if I have my mouth open or closed? I think the dry mouth in the morning is a pretty good one, but there's other issues with it as well. You know, people who do have their mouth open tend to have to get up to go to the bathroom during the night. They do have an increased risk of snoring. They do have an increased risk of having sleep apnea and also possibly insomnia, because mouth breathing is going to result in faster breathing, harder breathing, upper chest breathing. And if we breathe that way, the brain interprets that the body is under threat. And of course, the brain is here to protect the body. So the brain, by protecting the body, is going to get the body out of deep sleep.